Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, class, good morning. And our lesson for today is English. Okay, anybody knows, remember what's our last topic in English?
It's all about part of speech,
yes, the
ma'am.
part of speech. Anybody's has a question or problem about this part of speech?
Ma'am, ano po
Oh,
yung
yes.
verb?
Verb. Yung verb, yan po yung hayop na lumilipad.
How about adverb,
Mhm.
ma'am?
Yung adverb, yung verb, dinagdagan mo lang.
Parang
Kaya
iba yung
nagiging
ibig
adverb.
sabihin
Kung
niya,
may
ma'am.
verb ka, tapos dinagdagan
Wala,
mo,
hindi ata
ayan,
yun.
nagiging adverb na yan.
Parang mali si
Ganun
ma'am
pala
eh.
yun, ma'am. Yung
Mhm.
noun po.
Yung noun ay yung alam mo na. Yung alam mo na yung pangalan mo, yung alam mo na yung
Hindi
pangalan ko.
yan.
That's why
Ano
it's
pa yung
called
nangyari
noun.
kay
Parang mali ata si ma'am. Ma'am, yung pronoun po.
Yung pronoun naman, yan po yung malalim na yung nalalaman mo. Malalim na yung mga nalalaman nyo. That's why it's called pronoun. Like,
Parang
ano yung nasa ilalim
Hindi
ng
ata siya
lupa.
marunong
Ayan,
eh.
malalim na yung mga
Ma'am, hindi ka
nalalaman
ata
mo.
marunong magturo ng English.
Hindi yan totoo. Englishin mo yan.
You don't know how to teach English, ma'am.
Alam mo na? That's known. Kasi alam mo na, known.
Di ko alam, ma'am.
Hindi mo alam? That's called unknown.